Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I'm a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience. Today I'm going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start from the review. It's a web and UI UX design program by Frameboxx Institute, and it's a 300 hours plus trainings. And this is the course overview about the UI UX, and these are the applicable jobs. And web designer is also there because it's a web plus UI UX designer program is there. And so it's a module about the software they are going to teach you like HP, Figma, UI design, UX design, Illustrator, Photoshop, and web design and development. So it's an advantage in terms of UI UX. And AI skills are ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Adobe Firefly, but they are not teaching you about the tools in terms of AI UI UX like InVision, Framer, Figma Make, FigJam, etc. So it's a module 2 about the softwares. They're going to teach you about Bootstrap, CSS3, HTML5, which is not a part of UI UX, but it's an advantage in terms of web development and web designing if you want to pursue on a web designing basis. And there's nothing else, no proper detailing about the fundamentals they are going to teach you. Short overview about the UI UX, nothing else. So, and not about surety about the placement and career support they are going to give you. So, if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum is 0, user research fundamental is also there, not there. So, UI design quality is 0, hand-on project is not there, tools and software training is also not there, but as they have already mentioned, like HT and Figma, not proper AI tools, but they are providing you the tools in terms of UI UX. So it's a one for me. Mentorship and feedback is not there. Development is there, so it's a one for me. Placement and career support is there, so it's a one for me. Course value fees is 0. Industry relevance update is one for me. And it's a 4 out of 10 course, and it's a non-recommended course because there are many better courses in the market which are far better than this course. And also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX and have a 10 out of 10 score, and which covers course values versus fees and also help you in placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. And if you have any query related to UI design quality tools in terms of UI UX, you can drop your comment.